Today we are going to learn about automating data collection with web scraping in Python. We will cover how to set up a basic web scraper and tackle common challenges like anti-scraping measures. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating realm of web scraping and how it empowers us to automate data collection. Web scraping is an automated method used to extract large amounts of data from websites. It is an essential tool for businesses, researchers, and developers who require access to extensive datasets. Whether you're analyzing trends, gathering market research, or compiling information for a project, web scraping can significantly streamline the process. We'll delve into popular Python libraries like BeautifulSoup and Scrapy, which simplify web scraping tasks, and discuss ethical considerations to ensure responsible scraping practices. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set up a basic web scraper and navigate common challenges. Web scraping is a process that involves extracting data from web pages in a structured format. This automated technique is widely used across various industries for its efficiency and ability to handle large datasets. Industries such as e-commerce, finance, real estate, and journalism rely heavily on web scraping for data-driven decision-making. For instance, e-commerce platforms use scraping to monitor competitors' prices, while researchers use it to gather data for academic studies. Despite its advantages, web scraping comes with challenges like dealing with dynamic content and anti-scraping measures. However, with the right tools and strategies, these challenges can be effectively managed. In this section, we'll explore real-world examples and discuss the potential of web scraping to transform data collection processes. Before diving into web scraping, it's crucial to set up a Python environment tailored for scraping tasks. First, ensure that Python is installed on your system. Python's versatility and extensive library support make it ideal for web scraping. Next, create a virtual environment to manage dependencies and maintain a clean workspace. This is done using Python's built-in Vend module. Once your environment is ready, install necessary libraries like BeautifulSoup for parsing HTML and requests for handling HTTP requests. These tools are fundamental to building efficient scrapers. Preparing your system properly will streamline the development process and help avoid potential conflicts. In this section, we'll guide you through the setup process, ensuring your system is ready for web scraping tasks. BeautifulSoup is a powerful Python library designed to parse HTML and XML documents, making it a favorite among web scrapers. Its simple API allows you to navigate and search through the parse tree, making data extraction efficient and straightforward. In this block, we'll explore how BeautifulSoup works. You'll learn how to load HTML content, navigate the DOM, and extract desired information using tags and attributes. We'll also discuss handling different HTML structures and offer practical examples to solidify your understanding. BeautifulSoup's flexibility and ease of use make it an essential tool for any web scraper, enabling you to extract data quickly and efficiently. Scrapy is an open-source web crawling framework for Python, designed specifically for scraping tasks. It offers advanced features for handling complex scraping projects, making it a go-to choice for developers requiring scalability and efficiency. We'll start by setting up a Scrapy project, followed by creating a spider component responsible for defining how the scraping should occur. You'll learn how to handle requests and process responses, allowing you to extract data from multiple pages efficiently. Scrapy's built-in features, such as handling cookies and sessions, make it ideal for large-scale scraping tasks. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of leveraging Scrapy's capabilities to build robust web scrapers.
Extracting data from HTML elements is a core aspect of web scraping. The first step is to identify the target elements that contain the data you need. This involves analyzing the website structure and identifying the relevant tags and attributes. Using CSS selectors, you can pinpoint these elements with precision, ensuring accurate data extraction. We'll demonstrate how to extract text and attributes from elements, even when dealing with nested structures. Additionally, we'll discuss common pitfalls, such as handling dynamically loaded content, and offer solutions to overcome these challenges. By the end of this section, you'll be equipped with the skills to efficiently extract data from HTML elements, optimizing your scraping efforts. Pagination and dynamic content present unique challenges in web scraping. Many websites use pagination to display content across multiple pages, requiring scrapers to navigate through each page to collect complete datasets. We'll explore strategies for handling pagination, including URL manipulation and using Scrapy's built-in features to automate the process. Additionally, we'll address the complexities of scraping dynamic content loaded via JavaScript. For these cases, tools like Selenium can be used to render pages and extract the necessary data. This section provides practical examples to guide you through the process of handling pagination and dynamic content effectively, ensuring comprehensive data collection.
Websites often implement anti-scraping measures to protect their data, presenting a challenge for web scrapers. Common techniques include detecting automated bots through user agents and blocking requests from the same IP address. To bypass these measures, it's crucial to implement user agent rotation, simulating requests from different browsers. Additionally, using proxies allows you to distribute requests across multiple IP addresses, reducing the risk of being blocked. However, it's essential to respect the website's robots.txt file, which outlines permitted and restricted areas for crawling. In this block, we'll discuss best practices for ethical scraping, ensuring that your data collection efforts remain compliant and respectful of website policies.
Once data is collected, storing it in a usable format is critical for analysis and future use. The format you choose depends on your specific needs and the tools you're using for data analysis. Common formats include CSV and JSON, both of which are easy to work with and widely supported. For more complex datasets, storing data in databases like SQLite or PostgreSQL might be more appropriate. Ensuring data integrity during this process is paramount, as is automating storage to streamline workflows. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of selecting the right storage format and setting up automated data storage systems to enhance your scraping projects. Web scraping comes with ethical and legal responsibilities. Understanding these implications is crucial to avoid legal issues and maintain ethical standards. Compliance with legal regulations, such as data protection laws, is essential. Additionally, respecting a website's terms of service and intellectual property rights is critical. Whenever possible, obtaining consent for data collection ensures transparency. Unethical scraping can lead to severe consequences, including legal action and reputational damage. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of adhering to ethical guidelines and legal regulations, providing insights into conducting responsible web scraping that respects both the data source and its users. Web scraping is not without its challenges, but understanding and overcoming them is part of the learning process. Common issues include dealing with changes in website structure, managing large datasets, and encountering unexpected errors. Adaptive strategies, like building flexible scrapers that can adjust to changes, are crucial. Efficient data handling techniques can help manage large volumes of data without compromising performance. Debugging skills are essential for troubleshooting issues as they arise. Lastly, continual learning and improvement are key to staying ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of web scraping. In this block, we'll explore these challenges and provide strategies to overcome them, ensuring your web scraping projects are robust and efficient.
As we wrap up our exploration of web scraping, let's recap the key concepts we've covered. We've delved into the basics of web scraping, setting up your Python environment, using libraries like BeautifulSoup and Scrapy, and tackling challenges like pagination and anti-scraping measures. Remember, ethical practices are paramount in web scraping to ensure compliance and respect for data privacy. As you embark on your web scraping journey, numerous resources are available to further your knowledge and skills. We encourage you to start experimenting with the techniques you've learned today. Join the web scraping community to share experiences, ask questions, and continue growing. Thank you for joining us, and happy scraping!